Hi all, today we are presenting few work from home opportunities at Infopark. The first one is a business development manager which is open to female candidates with over 1 to 3 years of experience. This is for the company Mapletech Space Private Limited. This role involves lead generation, client handling and driving business growth. Candidates should be self-motivated and have excellent communication skills and be fluent in English along with Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil or Telugu. Prior experience in technology sales is required. Key skills include sales, account management and client relationship management. This is a work from home role with timings from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. IST. To apply, you can send your resume to the given email address. Next is a senior HR specialist with over 5 years of experience. This is for the company Intech Group India Private Limited. For this role, you will manage subcontractor hiring across India and the UK, coordinate with senior managers and work with vendors to improve onboarding. Candidates must have a graduation degree over 5 years of HR or recruitment experience, good MS Office skills and excellent English communication. Experience with vendor negotiations, SAP or Jira will be a plus. Key skills include subcontractor onboarding, vendor coordination, contract management, and HR process expertise. This role is flexible with work from home, but weekly office visit to Kochi are preferred. You will work in adjusted hours to match the UK time zone. You can send your resume to the given email address. Next is a client relations manager with 1 to 3 years of experience. This is also for the company Mapletech Space Private Limited. This role focuses on building strong client relationships, coordinating with internal teams, and ensuring smooth project delivery. Applicants should have a graduation degree, preferably in marketing, excellent English communication skills, and experience with CRM tools. Hindi skills and real estate industry experience will be an added advantage. Key skills include client servicing, CRM management, upselling, and client onboarding. This is a Canadian shift from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. IST. Location is remote or at Infopark, Thrissur. We can send your resume to the given email address. Next is a sales manager IT products and services with 7 to 10 years of experience. This is for the company JTSI Technologies India Private Limited. This role involves managing sales for ERP SaaS products and IT services, including resource augmentation. The candidates should have a graduation degree, preferably an MBA with strong skills in client communication, proposal preparation and account management. Key skills include ERP system sales, business development, client relationship management, and market research. This position is based at Infopark, Kochi or remote with a shift from 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST. You can send your resume to the given email address. And the last one is the software support engineer with at least 1 year of experience in software, application or technical support. This is for the company Empress Infotech. This role requires strong knowledge of web applications, Windows Server, SQL Server, and the ability to write SQL queries. Excellent communication and problem-solving skills are essential. Key skills include application troubleshooting, database maintenance, and experience with ticketing systems. Knowledge of networking, cloud, and customer support is a plus. Apply by sending your resume to the given email address as hr@empressinfotech.com with your experience, location, notice period, and the salary details.